So hello friend, welcome to our channel Planet CMS app, and in this video we'll learn about cash balance. So we will prepare a dashboard like this, and we will prepare automated cash balance, highest credit and highest debit. Alright, so this is a dashboard which we will be preparing, which will provide us the cash balance, highest credit and highest debit. So जो भी एक्सेल पे कैश बैलेंस मेंटेन करता है, जो कि डे टू डे रिक्वायरमेंट है हमारे बिजनेसेस की, अगर कोई भी एक्सेल को बेस बना के अगर कोई भी रिकॉर्डिंग करता है कैश बैलेंस का, तो ये ऑटोमेटेड फार्मूला जो है यहाँ पे लगाया जा सकता है, और इस तरह के डैशबोर्ड हमें पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं रिगार्डिंग कैश बैलेंस, highest credit and highest debit. So let's prepare it. So first of all, we will increase the length of the column A, and here we will write serial number, date, description, debit, credit, cash balance, description, debit, credit and cash balance. Bold, and we will do one entry like says today's date, description, or we can say particulars, where particulars is better. Alright, particulars. So on the first line, like say that date is 1st February, so we will write balance carried forward, CF stands for balance carried forward. And as it is a cash balance, so we can add one line, cash balance. We will select these lines and we will go to home, merge and center. We will write cash summary. We will write in capital, bold, bold, and let's select the color green. I will write Alt H border thick. Alt H B T is the shortcut for Alt H border thick. So you can see that there is a black border on these columns. So this is balance carry forward. Now as it is a cash balance and cash comes on the asset side, so it has a debit balance. So suppose the cash balance is rupees 50,000, credit is nil, and we will write in the cash balance same 50,000. Now serial number second is, suppose date is rent received, second entry is rent received. So we receive this rent, suppose 25,000, and third rent paid 10,000 on the credit side, as it is cash balance, so rent payment in cash is a liability. So we will write on the credit side that we have made the payment. Fourth entry, advertisement, so suppose expenditure is 5,000. Okay, so now we have created few entries, and now we will write a formula that in the cash balance, if and is the logical test, bracket start. Now logic one is, if this is blank, then, and logical test second is, this cell is equals to blank, then return blank, otherwise this प्लस दिस माइनस क्रेडिट बैलेंस दिस, ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड एंटर. The formula is missing an opening or closing parenthesis. All right. Okay, so we will write one more column. Okay, so here if H2 is blank and H2, okay, so here we will close this down first, then blank, and I will remove this one. All right. So this is the formula. So we have to put the bracket over here. हम यहाँ पे bracket लगाएंगे कि H4, ये जो कॉलम है H4 या फिर I4 अगर blank हैं तो उसके बाद ही bracket लग जाएगा, और इसको क्या करना है, drag down करना है like this. Alright. So now you can see we have a opening balance of cash of rupees 50,000. Add 25,000, that will make 75,000, minus 10,000 65,000, and then minus 5,000 is 60,000. So like this, this formula will automatically calculate your day-to-day transaction like bonus to employees. Bonus to employees 20,000. Now you can see it will automatically return 40,000 as the cash balance. Petty expense, say 7,000. It will automatically return the balance of cash. Sales, right, cash sales, say suppose 1 lakh, so it will return the balance of 1,66,000 automatically. So like this you can prepare your cash summary with the help of this formula. Let me again show you the formula. The formula is, if we will write if and then and, if column H4, this column is blank, for blank we will write comma, and cell I4 is blank, we will write double quote, then bracket close. अगर यहाँ इन दो में अगर blank है तो हमें रिटर्न क्या होगा, blank. अदरवाइज अगर यहाँ पे कुछ वैल्यू है तो क्या होगा, ये ऊपर की वैल्यू प्लस ये डेबिट ऐड हो जाएगा, माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, क्रेडिट. तो यहाँ पे इसको अपन एंटर करेंगे यहाँ पे और ये बन जाएगा फॉर्मूला. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं इस फॉर्मूले को. मैं इसको कॉपी करके इधर भी लिख देता हूँ. ये देखिए, अब आप देखिए ये है फॉर्मूला, इसको बोल्ड करता हूँ. ऑलराइट, तो ये फॉर्मूला है इफ का. एंड H4, ये जो कॉलम है H4 ये वाला, अगर ये सेल ब्लैंक हो तो ब्लैंक के लिए डबल कॉमा लगाते हैं हम, कॉमा. सेल I4 भी ब्लैंक है तो क्या रिटर्न हो, ब्लैंक. तो ये जो डबल कॉमा लगाया है हमने, ये ब्लैंक को ही रिप्रेजेंट करता है. अगर ब्लैंक है तो ब्लैंक रिटर्न हो जाए, अदरवाइज क्या हो, ये कैश बैलेंस प्लस डेबिट माइनस क्रेडिट, कैश बैलेंस प्लस डेबिट माइनस क्रेडिट रिटर्न हो. तो इस तरीके से आप अपना कैश समरी जो है बना सकते हैं, जितना आप चाहें उतना डेटा का. ऑल्ट एच बॉर्डर ऑल, मैं थोड़ी सी इसको फॉर्मेटिंग कर देता हूँ और यहाँ पे सेंटर ले लेते हैं हम इसको, थोड़ा सा फॉन्ट बढ़ाएंगे. हाँ, ऑलराइट. अब यहाँ पे आके क्या करना है हमें, हम सबसे पहले चीज़ करेंगे, इंसर्ट में जाएंगे, एक आइकन लेंगे, इलस्ट्रेशन में आइकन्स, यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे कैश. कैश का ये आइकन लेंगे या ये भी ले सकते हैं। इंसर्ट करेंगे हम इसे। इलस्ट्रेशन आइकन्स, हम क्या करेंगे, कैश, ये आइकन सेलेक्ट करेंगे और इसको इंसर्ट कर लेंगे। तो ये इंसर्ट हो गया यहाँ पे। इसको बॉर्डर्स जो है ग्रीन कर देते हैं इसकी। इसके नीचे लिखेंगे हम कैश बैलेंस, बोल्ड करेंगे। और इसके जस्ट नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे, इज इक्वल्स टू, उससे पहले कैश बैलेंस लिखा है यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हाईएस्ट क्रेडिट, फिर उसके नीचे लिखेंगे हाईएस्ट डेबिट। इसको हम बोल्ड करेंगे, इसको भी बोल्ड करेंगे। और राइट, सो उससे पहले हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना होगा, एक फॉर्मूला लगाना होगा, इज इक्वल्स टू सम ये सम हुआ डेबिट का। मैं एक इंसर्ट डेबिट, इसको मैं लिखूंगा टोटल डेबिट। इस फॉर्मूले को यहां से रिमूव कर देता हूं। टोटल डेबिट, टोटल क्रेडिट, ये है टोटल क्रेडिट। और कैश बैलेंस, टोटल कैश जो आएगा इज इक्वल्स टू दिस माइनस दिस। So we will do some formatting. Alt H border all, Alt H BA is the shortcut for Alt H border all, and Alt H border thick. Alt H BT is the shortcut for Alt H border thick. Alright, so what we will do, you can see the total cash available is 1,33,000 and the last cash balance shows 1,33,000. Alt CA. Alright, now it is proper. So just below cash balance we will write is equals to this cell. It will show our cash balance. Now highest credit is max. We will select the entire range. So highest credit is this one, 20,000. Out of these credit, the highest credit is this one, and highest debit is, we will write max formula, highest debit. We will select the entire cell, entire column, sorry. Now we will select it down. We'll align them to center. We will increase the cell size, and we will press Ctrl B for border all. Alt H border thick and Alt H border all, Alt H border thick, Alt H border all, Alt H border thick, and Alt H border all, Alt H BA, Alt H border thick, Alt H BT. We will highlight this highest debit and cash balance in green format. whereas highest credit will be highlighted in color red. If you want, you can fill this graphic by green color and alright. In the last, you have to go to view. Before that, what you can do, if you want this section, this column A to be fixed while you are scrolling on the right, you have to select this down and then go to view, freeze pen, freeze first column. Now this first column is freeze. When you scroll it down, it will not move first column, and you can see your cash balance available all the time. In the last, we will go to view column and uncheck grid lines. So this is how our dashboard will look like, and if whenever I will do the entry like cash purchase of around say 25,000, it has reduced, now say it has reduced the cash balance to 1,08,000. What you can do, you can select it down, press Ctrl 1, currency format, remove the 2 decimals and select the symbol of rupee and then OK. Now it will show as rupee, and we will select these as well. We will press Ctrl 1, go to currency, we will remove the decimal point to 0 and select symbol of rupee from this list. Then OK. Now you can see the amount is highlighted in rupee format. Now when I do this last entry, it shows a cash balance of 1,08,000, cash balance of 1,08,000. Highest credit is 25,000, and this is the highest in this whole column. 25,000 is the highest credit. So it is showing highest credit, and highest debit is 1 lakh of rupees 1 lakh. If I will do any such entry of any day like cash sales of say 1,10,000, this will change the highest debit. See, the highest debit has changed to 1,10,000. So this is a small dashboard which we can prepare, and in the last, if you want, you can hide these 2 columns just by pressing Ctrl Shift O. Ctrl O will hide these 2 columns, and you can see your dashboard will look like this when you can move it anywhere. So if you want more such videos of Excel dashboard, you can subscribe to our channel Planet CMS app, and please press like button so that our channel can grow. Thank you.